Hi, my name is Christina Robinson, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Tuesday, April 8, 2008. We begin in New Zealand, where the Institute of Economic Research revealed that its measure of business confidence for the first quarter fell to negative 64, a 34-year low. The decline was spread across all sectors and regions. In Australia, the NAB Business Confidence Index for March saw conditions deteriorate as a result of demand easing and credit conditions tightening. The New Zealand-US dollar pair stopped its uptrend and traded lower following the weak confidence reports. The pair traded in a widening channel throughout the session. By 2:40 p.m. New York time, the Kiwi had penetrated the resistance and had climbed back to its levels from late yesterday. The Halifax Bank of Scotland Index of housing prices plunged in March, registering a drop of 2.5% for the month. Annual prices were 1.1% compared to February's 4.2%. Both results were much lower than expectations, pressuring the pound after its release. The Bank of England, which decides on rates Thursday, may have to take a more aggressive posture during the rest of the year in order to remedy the slowdown in the housing sector. The pound fell around 240 pips to the yen overnight after the release. The pair broke down below 203.20 and found support about 200 pips lower near 201.20. The pair ranged sideways during the New York session. The pound-dollar pair saw about a 200 pip swing overnight, as the pair fell to settle low near 1.9660. This level is the strongest the dollar's been versus the pound since late February. The pair traded in a narrow range during New York trading as well. In a third pair with the pound, we see the euro climb 75 pips versus the pound and test a resistance near 0.7988. Today's high was a new record for the pair as it reached a slight amount higher than its previous record set last Monday. Both the Bank of England and the European Central Bank will decide on rates Thursday morning, with the expectations for the Bank of England to move to lower rates. The number of pending home sales or contracts to buy previously owned homes declined 1.9% in February. It's an indication that the housing market recession continues and the bottom is not yet here. The likely outcome is that housing prices continue to fall in the U.S. and the Fed will remain pressured to continue its campaign of lowering interest rates. The euro-dollar pair broke out of its Monday trading range yesterday evening. The euro rally amounted to about 100 pips. The rest of the session wiped out these euro gains. The pair proceeded to trade slightly higher following the release of the Fed minutes. Tonight we will get consumer confidence from the UK and Australia. Overnight, the Bank of Japan will announce its interest rate decision, where they are expected to hold. Later, the UK will post industrial and manufacturing production figures, and Germany will post its trade balance data. The U.S. has a light release schedule tomorrow with only data on wholesale and crude oil inventories in store, and a speech by Fed Chairman Bernanke. And that's it for today's news. Thank you for watching, and join us again tomorrow right here at CMSFX.com.